Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I bought this coat hanger thing that I wanted to do an acrylic pour on. I've already removed these. These are the hangers, of course. These are pretty heavy duty metal. This is wood, okay? I am going to use kind of my favorite color scheme, which is on the blues side. And I do want this to be lighter. So I am going to use a tiny bit of black for just a little bit of contrast, but not a lot. These ones I mixed directly in the bottle. So this is Color Shift Paint Aqua Flash, and this is Color Shift Paint Plum Flash with a little bit of pink in there as well. So even though these are still in their bottles, they are pre-mixed with Floetrol and water, just like the rest of my paints. And besides these Color Flash, the paints we're using are all Artist Loft Flow acrylics. So throw a little bit of black in here, just a little. Okay, and then we're going to keep layering. All right, I believe that should be enough. So we're going to do a technique called a traveling tree ring. But a very sloppy version. I'm not going for the lines that I generally would want with that technique. Okay, and because of the metallics, I do expect that we'll probably get some cells. Which looks like we are. All right, now I am going to tilt it massively in this direction, and that not only runs off paint to make it a little more thin so that it can dry better, but this also will get some of the patterns that I like. Like I like it when it's kind of all flows in one direction a bit. And this will give me that effect. There we go. I love it. Definitely more unique than the plain gray that it was. So we're going to let that sit there. We're going to let it get all dry. And then I'm going to reattach the hangers. And then we'll show you what it looks like when it is fully complete. All right, guys. So we're back. This is now complete. I let this fully dry, and then I sealed it with Rustoleum Crystal Clear Enamel Spray. So it has a nice gloss seal to it. And then, of course, I reattached the hangers. And this is not an expensive piece. It cost me, I don't know, maybe $5 or something at a local store. So this is just a really great way to make it so it matches your home decor. And the awesome thing too is if I were to change up my home decor, I could actually take these off and I could repaint it again. So I don't know about you, but I really love this. Came out beautiful. And it's very unique. And nobody else would have the same hanger. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.